All right, here's try it 1.28. In this one, we're asked to use figure 1.62 and evaluate g of f of 2. G of f of 2 in 1.62. Here's 1.62, and I want to figure out g of f of 2. And the way you do this is just like you've been evaluating any composite function. You work from the inside out. So the first thing to do is figure out what is f of 2. Well, I got a graph of f of x, so I can figure out f of 2. That's just asking me what is the height of this function right here when its x coordinate equals 2. Well, here's where the x coordinate equals 2. It looks like the height is 5. So f of 2 equals 5. So instead of writing f of 2 right here, I can just write 5. And now I'm not done because I have to figure out what's g of 5. Well, that's easy enough. Here's g of x. So I can figure out g of 5. Here's where x equals 5. The height of this function g of x when x equals 5 appears to be 3 at this point right here. Put little dots to indicate which points I looked at. So g of 5 equals 3. So 3 would be my answer. Something that I think is kind of fun on these, maybe you will disagree, that's your prerogative, is to compose more than one function. So maybe, I don't know, f of 2. See what happens with that one. And why not? First of all, there's no reason you can't compose a function inside itself. And there's no reason you got to stop at 2 layers. You can do as many layers as you want. And the way you'll do it will be the same thing we've been doing. You'll just work from the inside out. So the first thing is to figure out what is f of 2, and I'll write that right here. Well, to figure out f of 2, I come over here to 2 and figure out what the height is. Looks like the height is 5. So instead of writing f of 2 right here, I'll write 5. And now I'll peel off the next layer. I'll figure out what is f of 5. Well, I can figure out f of 5. I go over here to 5 and figure out the height, and it looks like it's 2, coincidentally. So now I got to figure out f of 2. I already figured out that was 5, so the answer to this question would be 5. Okay, maybe that wasn't that much fun. Let's stop this here.